Hello and welcome to the channel. Today, I will guide you through the simple steps to enable your microphone in the Firefox browser on your mobile device. This setting is important if you want websites to access your microphone for calls, voice commands, or recording. Let's get started. First, open the Firefox browser app on your mobile device. Next, tap the three vertical dots located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Site Settings. Then, find and tap on Microphone in the Site Settings menu. Finally, choose Allow to ask to enable microphone access for websites. That's all you need to do to allow microphone access in Firefox Mobile. Now, websites can request permission to use your microphone. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides.